What's up guys, Andrew from Shy Motorsports, and today we're going to be talking about catch cans. And I'm going to be installing a catch can on the E30. It's equipped with the M20 V25. I'm going to show you guys how I did it and how you guys can do it going about it in the future. Yeah, let's get right into it. So I'm going to be running on this car is going to be a vent to atmosphere for now. I'm going to be utilizing the old PCV port right here. It is 22 millimeters. I'm going to be running a 90-degree 22 millimeter hose. So I'm going to clip it down, run it here, run a push lock to AN fitting, and that's how I'm going to run it. So I'll show you guys how I do it right now. But first, let's get the catch can mounted up. So here I have a catch can, and as you can see, it's ran in the vent configuration. I have the out blocked off, and I have the inlet right here with the 10 AN fitting on it, and it has a vent on top, and I'm going to be fitted right where my battery used to go, right about here. Yeah, it's perfect. It's gonna be very simple. I'm probably gonna have it maybe like right here. I don't think so. I'm probably gonna put it back here just so I can have my battery stuff going right there. But it came with this little bracket. Let me show you guys right here. Came with this rinky-dink bracket. I think it's plenty for what I need. I am going to drill a hole right here and have it sit right there, and I'm just gonna have it go straight over there. Bing bong boom. I'm gonna paint this a wrinkle black because it'll look better. I don't like this aluminum, but right now let's drill a hole on the bottom. Okay, I have the bracket mounted up here. I'm gonna do two little pilot holes right here, somewhere around here. Now I'm gonna do two probably M6 screws on here because I want as much clamping force down, so I don't feel like one it'll spin, and then it's kind of a big bracket. I kind of want two just to be safe than sorry. Okay guys, I got my bracket drilled the holes. I'm going to use this and mark out the holes, drill out here, put some rib nuts here, and then yeah, get this thing mounted up. It's gonna look good. Okay, stay tuned. Okay guys, you can see I got them in there. I need to really repaint this, but later down the line, once I get everything squared away, I'm gonna repaint it. But yep, got my two rib nuts there. That should be plenty strong for that rinky-dink little bracket. So let's get it put on there and let's see. This is the bracket. It's painted a nice wrinkle black. Should be plenty. You can't see it in this lighting, but should be plenty strong for. Yeah, it won't focus, but yeah. Let's get it put on there, guys. All right, guys. Fast forward in time. I finished up the catch can. So what I ended up doing was getting a 22 millimeter hose. Okay, I got a 90. It's about 6 inches, I guess, if I had to guess. I lopped it off, right? Just so it would fit nice and flush. Not really happy with this portion right here, but you know, it is what it is. And then I have a push lock to a 10 AN. I can't remember. I think it's 10 AN. So 90 push lock right here. Goes all the way back there. 10 AN to a 90, and then I made the line, goes all the way over here. Now we have a functional catch can. Just to preface, when you do this, it's going to be venting the atmosphere. I don't have another line going back somewhere into the intake system. A lot of people, what they do is they run it back into the intake over here. I'm not a big fan of that. I think you're sucking in a bunch of oil and, you know, dirty air that can cause detonation, contamination. You know, it's just not what you want to do. So I'm just gonna leave it vent to atmosphere. I think that's plenty for what we need here. Cap this portion off right here. I might have to get a better cap that's a little tighter fitting later down the line, but for now that's fine. Yeah, so now that's how you do a catch can install, guys. So let me just do another once over, okay? Just to show you.